In the previous lesson, I taught you. What is I thought? I thought Lewis theory and Esper theory. Valence shell, electrons theory of repulsion theory. Here today I am going to teach VBT theory. Why? Because of the drawbacks of Lewis theory and Esper theory. The drawback of Lewis theory is it doesn't reveal about construction and shape of the molecule, whereas Esper theory doesn't give about strength of the bond. Today I am going to teach about the EBT theory. What is EBT theory? Now I am going to tell EBT theory. First theory is Lewis theory. Lewis theory, write down simultaneously. Lewis theory. Second one Esper theory. ESEPR Esper theory. Third one is EBT theory. And fourth one is hybridization theory. Fifth one is molecular organism theory, which will come in intermediate. What is Esper EBT theory? What does EBT theory is? Write down. EBT theory is which reveals about reveals about overlapping of orbitals when atom, write down all of you, when atoms comes to close together, and atoms come close together, this is close together, and the orbital is off field and opposite spin, only opposite spin only, then only the spin, then only the overlapping will be happened. The overlapping will be happened or occurred. The strength of the bond depends upon the strength of bond. Bond depends upon the length of our axis of the bond on neutral axis. Neutral axis between the atoms. You may have doubt. What is doubt? If overlapping is happened between hydrogen, we might have doubt. What is doubt? Charges. Same charges repel. But how it has happened today? For a hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen, what is that? Hydrogen has one electron. One. This hydrogen also electron one. Same charges repel here. Same charges means repel. We know that. But here, how does it overcome? The more the if the attraction is more, if the attraction of the the attraction of static force is more than repulsion more than atoms repulsion, the overlapping will be happened. 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 Overlapping will be happened. Will be happened. Will be happened. Why? Here the atom attraction is greater than atom repulsion. Atom or charge repulsion. Charge repulsion. Or charge repulsion. Whenever there is a more attraction, then only same charges will be overlapping on the central axis of the atom. On the central axis of the atom. The more the overlapping, the more the strength. The more the overlapping, the more the strength of the bond. What would be here? It would be half field. Half field means suppose here S is there orbit. It means it has half field. Both atoms has half field. That's a half field. Then opposite spin. Opposite spin means this should be like that, opposite spin. Then only the overlapping will be occurred and occurred. But if we take on hydrogen here, hydrogen. What is the central axis? What is this? This is hydrogen atom and this is also hydrogen atom. Here the length of the overlapping is very less. That's why it has strength is less. In this strength is less. Don't go. In this strength is less. Here the overlapping is more. The bond strength is more. That's why it is more. It has more strength comparing with this first one. This first one. This is more length. That's why strength is more than strength is less than strength is less than this. Strength is less than this molecule. Strength is less than this molecule. Positive. Noted. Types of write down types of overlapping bonds. Overlapping bonds. There are two types of bonds. Bonds which are hybrid and anhybrid bonds. Hybrid bonds are called sigma bonds. And anhybrid bonds are called anhybrid bonds are called write down all of you. Bonds are called pi bonds. Pi bonds. Very, very important point. This is noted down here. Pi bonds. The shape of the sigma bond is sigma and pi and pi. This is the shape of the sigma bond. Suppose we take hydrogen. Hydrogen, what bond will we have formed? Hydrogen is, what is the bond? What is the bond? Here the shape of the sigma is located here. The shape of the sigma is, don't hang. The shape of the sigma is located here. I observed clearly. The shape of the sigma bond is located here in between these two bonds. Here the nucleus, here also nucleus. This length is called bond length. This length is called bond length. What bond is formed here? Here sigma bond is formed. Sigma bond is formed in this. Bond is formed in hydrogen molecule. In the hydrogen molecule. In hydrogen molecule. Whereas another bond is pi bond. Another bond is pi bond, which happens laterally. Laterally. This is the lateral bond or pi bond. This is pi bond. This is pi bond. This happens here. Suppose barium chloride. What is the shape of beryllium? Don't have. What is the shape of chlorine? Suppose if we take chlorine, what is the shape of the chlorine? Chlorine shape is, what is that? What is that? Chlorine. These are the dumbbells. Chlorine. This is chlorine. This is chlorine. Chlorine and chlorine. What happens? Here, this is opposite spin. Here, what is this? This is opposite spin. This is opposite spin. So sigma bond. Here the sigma shape is there. Sigma bond. This is also a sigma bond. Next, if you take what is given in the textbook, what is given? Chlorine of oxygen is given. Oxygen or nitrogen is given. If you take nitrogen, what is the configuration of nitrogen? Tell me nitrogen. Nitrogen configuration, tell me. 1s2, 2s2, 2s2, 2p, nitrogen. 2p1, 2p2, 2p3, 2p4. Tell me correct. 2p. Tell me. 2p1. 2p. Carbon. 2p1 boron. 2p2 boron after. Boron after. Periodic boron, carbon, boron, next carbon, next nitrogen, 2p3. The electron configuration of nitrogen is 2p3. Here also another nitrogen, also same. 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2p3, 2p3. This is the S. S is in this shape. S is in this shape. Whereas P is this is P of X. This is P of X. This is P of X. This is P of Z. This is P of Z. P of Z. This is P of Y. This is P of Y. P of Y. P of Z in your book it is given on sheet. If you both atoms are merged together, they form a overlapping bond. Why because all are covalent bonds, but not ionic bonds. What is the energy level? Energy level is this energy. This is energy. Don't energy. This is energy level. This is what is this? 1s2. 1s2. This is the one electron. This is another electron. Next 2s2. 2s2. Next 2s2. This is one electron. This is one electron. Next 2p. 2p just above the 2s2. Just above the 2p. What is there here? Here 2p. 2p1. 2px. 2px. What is that? 2px means boron. Next to 2p, Y is equal to carbon. Next to 2p, Z is equal to 2p, Z is equal to 2p, Z is equal to nitrogen. 2p, Z is equal to nitrogen. Here also, if you write energy level, another energy level, same way. What is this energy level? Energy level means 1s2. In this 1s2, 2s2, 2s2, 2p, 2px, 2px, 2p, y, 2p, z, 2px, 2p, y, 2p, z. Here 2s1. By leaving 1s2, it in the excited state, the s2 orbital goes to this side and make a bond, make a overlapping bond. How does it? Right. What is this? This is x-axis, p of x. This is you can write anyway. This is y-axis. This is y-axis. P of x, P of y. This is P of z. P of z. Don't tag. Here also, this is P of x. Here also, P of y. P of y. Here also P of z. P of y. P of x. And here P of z. Here P of z. What would be merged here? What would be merged? What would be merged here? Tell me. What would? Next book read in bond only. In by bond only is what? ఇనుపై బాండ్ ఉండే చూడండి. ఇదేంటి బాండ్? ఇదే బాండ్. ఇదే బాండ్ పై బాండ్. పై బాండ్ గా సిగ్మా బాండ్. ఇదేంటి సిగ్మా ఆకారం ఎక్కడే కనపడుతుంది కదా. ఇది స్టోన్ అంటే ఏమేం తెలుసు సిగ్మా బాండ్ కి? అదే చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఎక్స్, ఇది ఎక్స్, పి ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ కదా. పి ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ కలిసి ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది? సిగ్మా పి ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్, పి ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. ఇది అర్థమైందా? యాక్సిస్ దిస్ లోబ్ అండ్ దిస్ లోబ్ ఆఫ్ nitrogen, this lobe nitrogen and this lobe nitrogen, the x, p of x and p of x, p of x and p of x overlapping here by forming sigma bond. Next bond is pi bond, which